Most important point. A lot of, oh my god, no. Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing great. So this video is going to be slightly different than the videos that I usually do on the channel. As you guys would have guessed from the title itself, it's going to be about how to look good in glasses. So as someone who's been wearing glasses for a very significant part of their life, I've been wearing glasses for about 12 to 13 years now, and I simply cannot function without my glasses. If you see me in any of my videos wherein I'm not wearing glasses, it's because I am wearing contact lenses in all of them. I cannot function without either contact lenses or my glasses. So this video is going to be about how you can look really great when you're wearing glasses. But before we dive into this video, I would really appreciate if you guys could take a moment and hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also hit the notification bell right next to it so you're notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to connect with me on social media, and without further ado, let's get started. So the key to looking great in every single outfit that you wear is to be confident and be comfortable in your own skin. Now I know it's something very primitive and fundamental and something that almost everyone preaches, but trust me, whenever you're wearing any outfit with just the right amount of confidence, it's going to make you stand out of the crowd, and trust me, it's going to make you look so much more polished, so much more poised. You wouldn't need anything else to look your best. Number 2 is if you feel that your glasses don't look as flattering on your face as you'd expect them to, it's probably because you haven't chosen a pair of glasses which is appropriate to your face shape. Now of course there are different face shapes and different glasses and frames that go along with those face shapes, and I've written a couple of them down. So if you have a square or maybe a rectangle face shape where your jawline is very defined and you have a lot of sharp edges on your face, if you know what I mean, you can go for glasses which are round and curvy, and you should avoid rectangular glasses like the ones that I'm wearing right now. Why? Because round and curvy glasses are actually going to sort of balance your face shape and the edges if you have a square or a rectangular face shape. Similarly, if you have a circular face shape wherein the proportions are balanced on this and this area of your face, then you shouldn't be going for circular glasses, but instead you should be choosing rectangular and boxy frames, again so that it balances out the proportion of the edges of the frame and the roundness of your face. Again, if you have a heart-shaped face, you should instead go for rimless glasses and should avoid heavy and oversized frames on your face. If you have a diamond face shape, then you can go for oval or cat-eye glasses, whichever you guys like the most, because they are actually going to sort of highlight your cheekbones, and consequently you should avoid rectangular frames. Lastly, if you are an oval face shape like me, you can go for any glasses that you want. Pretty much everything is going to look good on you. However, choosing the right pair of glasses is mostly going to be a hit and trial method for you to figure out what looks best on your face. I personally have spent a significant part of my life wearing really hideous and embarrassing glasses. I do have a very old pair of glasses here with me which I wore for a very long time. So in a very embarrassing turn of events, I am going to try these glasses on and show you guys exactly what I mean to prove my point. And you guys will very easily be able to tell that these don't look as flattering on my face as the black ones do. Obviously, like I said, it's going to be a hit and trial method to find out which glasses actually suit your face shape the best. Now I only have these glasses for emergency situations in case I break these ones and I don't want to be blind. So that's the only reason why I have them, otherwise they would have been discarded long back. Now before we move to the actual tips and tricks wherein I show you guys my accessories and different outfits that you can wear, here's a tip and a very important one. Try to conceal your under eye if you're wearing glasses, because glasses tend to cast a shadow on this part of your face, and if you don't conceal your under eye properly and you already have a lot of dark circles, then the shadow that the glasses are going to cast on your face over here are actually going to make you look a lot more tired and just not very flattering. Okay, number 4 is accessories. Now glasses are one of the best pair of accessories that you can find because they gel in so seamlessly with your outfit. They don't look like an extra piece or an added piece of accessory. They kind of gel in with your outfit, if you know what I mean. So any kind of necklaces or earrings are going to actually look really great. You can see how I have paired up this necklace on top of this turtleneck, and it doesn't look out of place because I am wearing glasses with it. It goes very well with my glasses, and the same goes for earrings as well. You can very easily wear statement earrings, regular earrings, any kind that you feel more comfortable in, and trust me, it's going to look equally flattering with your glasses on as well. Number 5, and my most favorite one, oh my god. I am a huge fan of glasses and formals. I feel that they are a match made in heaven. Every single time you wear a formal outfit and you pair it up with a pair of glasses, it just takes your look up a notch like nothing else does. Trust me, it's such a beautiful combination. Every time you wear formals and you pair them up with a nice pair of glasses, it's going to completely, transform your look. Again, you can see how I have very easily paired up my necklace with these pair of glasses along with formals, and they look so beautiful. It's one of my absolute favorite outfits. So if you really want to bring out an outfit altogether, then glasses and formals are the way to go. Number 6 is if you are a glass wearer, then you can very easily go overboard with your eye makeup and it's not going to look OTT, which is the best part. You can have like smoky eyes or maybe rainbow eyes going on underneath your glasses, and it's going to come out in such a subtle manner if you're wearing glasses. Trust me, it's one of the best things about wearing glasses. Go ahead, experiment with colors and looks and just throw your glasses on top of it. It's going to look so beautiful, I promise you. My 7th tip for you guys would be to wear hair accessories. Now hair accessories look so beautiful with any pair of glasses. I don't have a beret as of now, but I am going to attach an image right here and you guys can see how a regular pair of glasses paired up with berets looks so beautiful. Again, if you don't have a beret, you can easily use silk or satin scarves. I did not have a satin scarf with me because I, of course, have come back home during the pandemic. I have a lot of my stuff in a different city, so I just did with whatever I had. So you guys can see in this clip how I'm wearing my scarf as a sort of bandana on my head, and it ties my whole outfit together so effortlessly, so seamlessly. I love how this looks. And again, if you want to sort of twist things up and take things up a notch, then you can tie the same scarf around your messy bun and it's going to make for such a cute outfit. I think this is one of my absolute favorite looks that I have tried so far. This looks so cute, it looks so nice. Honestly, I'm digging this look so much, oh my god. So if you're wearing glasses, try pairing it up with hair accessories and it's going to take your look up a notch in no time. And that brings us to our final and most important point. A lot of people believe that glasses do not go very well with Indian wear like saris, suits, lehengas. And like I said, if you carry almost anything with a lot of confidence, anything is going to look good on you. Trust me, you can wear your sari with a pair of glasses like I have. And I have sort of compiled all of my tips and tricks in this one look. I'm wearing statement earrings for the accessories and I'm wearing glasses with Indian wear, and this is for all those people who really believe that you can't pair Indian wear and glasses together. Just carry whatever you're wearing with a lot of confidence and know that nobody else can sport this outfit as good as you. And trust me, you are going to look like a total head turner, I promise. And with that, it's a wrap for this week's video, guys. I hope you all found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section down below which tip and trick was your favorite and which one you are going to try first. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for more tips and tricks like this, and share this video with your friends and family or people who you think need this video in their lives. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go and connect with me on social media. I would love to talk to you guys. Don't forget to send me pictures if you take inspiration from any of these looks, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.